I'm Jennifer Flitton Adams. I am one of the 2 costume design faculty members here at Shenandoah Conservatory, and I'm also the head of the Theater Design and Production program. And in the Theater and Production program, we offer 6 different emphases: scenic design, lighting design, costume design, sound design and reinforcement, and stage management.
Hi, I'm Andrew Carson. I'm an assistant professor here in the Conservatory, and I teach lighting design and stage management. Here in the Conservatory, we have 2 major theaters, one 700-seat theater that stages most of our major productions, most of the major musicals, and is also home to our summer professional company, the Shenandoah Summer Music Theater. We have a second stage as well, which seats around 150 people in a thrust configuration, although that's completely flexible. But all of these stages are completely equipped for any kind of scenic needs, any kind of costume needs, full dressing room support, any support that you would find in a major performing arts center all around the country, you find right here.
One of my favorite experiences with the TDP program would definitely be when I got the opportunity to stage manage the collegiate premiere of Something Rotten. It was a very difficult experience for me, but so much more rewarding. The faculty, staff, directors, cast, they were all behind me 100%, helped me through everything that I needed, and it was a really great experience.
I think one of the nicest things about our TD program is we don't have a graduate program. We are undergraduate only, and so our students get to do work on our big stage, on our little stage, and soon to be our new small theater. And at any given time, if a student's ready to do the actual work and be in charge of something, we're happy to put them forward and have them do the work.
There are a lot of opportunities here as a student in the TDP program. We put on 3 shows a semester, and we have production assignments every semester, and we have the opportunity to request different shows and different positions, and that gives us a lot of opportunities to work on real experience, like in shows.
Basically, in any area of the industry that you can imagine, we have a student working there. In fact, we have a student that's now working with Cirque du Soleil that just flew off to Paris for their first assignment. So anything you can imagine, we've had students intern on Broadway, we've had students intern with many of the regional theaters in the United States. Basically, if there's something you want to do, you can absolutely do it when you graduate. And we probably have a student doing it right now.
My name's Andrue Morgan. I'm a senior at Shenandoah University studying scenic design, and this is my set for Three Musketeers. Probably the most exciting part of the design process for Three Musketeers was being able to see it go from just a drawing on a piece of paper to what I see around me, and just being a part of the process from building, painting, and just being able to see the performance and everyone perform on it.
One of the benefits of our costume design emphasis program is that you have the opportunity to work with 3 different professionals in the field. There are 2 costume design faculty members, and then we also have a design fellow, which changes every 3 to 4 years. So you have the opportunity to really get specialized knowledge from different areas.
Hi, my name is Mallory. I go to Shenandoah Conservatory, and I study theater design and production, and I'm a costume design major. The most interesting classes I've taken here at Shenandoah are my millinery class, which is hat making, and the dye classes. As a graduating senior, I feel very prepared to enter the professional theater industry. I feel like my time here at Shenandoah has helped sculpt me and round me into a good designer. Shenandoah is unique in that we don't have a graduate program. And so I've been allowed to have opportunities such as designing large-scale shows that I wouldn't have had if Shenandoah had a graduate program.
In a BFA program like ours, you have the opportunity to take specialized classes that you might not get in a BA program. So you end up with very specialized knowledge and a really well-rounded experience, so you can move right into the professional industry or into graduate school.